All right, remember what I told you. You're doing something wrong. Turn up the motor. All right, you're clear to start making your turn. Use your brake. Neutral. Remember, brake, then neutral, then lock. Okay? What do you think? All right, so in order to turn it off, there's this button here. Turn that on, okay? Now turn the key to the off position. There you go.
I'm gonna do it again.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
All right, so here's what you got to do to do it, all right? Turn that switch off. Okay. Now turn it one more. Okay, use your foot on the brake. Is it in neutral?
Yes.
Okay, is your butt firmly in the seat? Okay.
Yeah.
Now go ahead and turn it. Oh, no, leave your brake locked.
Turn. Oh.
Yep. Crank it.
Wait. Wait, crank it.
No, you gotta. Oh, was your foot on the brake? That was why. Your foot wasn't on the brake. Put your foot back on the brake. There you go. Motor up, motor up. Hold on. Back up. Give it a little more speed if you're comfortable. Check both ways. All right. Use your brake. Brake, brake. Wait, neutral. Brake. Wait, neutral, neutral. All right. Now brake, throttle down. There you go. Remember this process. Brake, neutral, lock, then you're good. Then throttle down. Okay, so hang on. How do you stop it?
Brake, neutral, lock.
Then throttle down. All right, you want to try it one more time?
Yeah.
I'm going to say nothing. All right, hang on. Before you put it in gear, always throttle up before you put it in gear. Keep an eye on what you're doing. All right, use your brake. Reverse, reverse. Brake. You're good. Brake. Put it in neutral. Okay. Lock your brake.
Go ahead.
All right. Let me get out of this situation because I don't want you to accidentally let it slide. Okay, because if it came up, you could have rolled it.
Yeah, I'm not about to go down the hill.
All right.